about question sentence. Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with gesture. When I say teach, you say okay. This means you have to teach me. Okay, let's get to it. So there are two kinds of verb. First, be verb is MR. Other verb, drink, want, eat. Right. Then how do you make a question sentence with a be verb? Be verb can jump over the subject. Class, meter. To make a question sentence, be verbs can jump over the subject. Can you teach me? Teach. To make a question sentence, be verbs can jump over the subject. Well done. What about other verbs like drink, want, eat? They cannot jump over the subject. Instead, they use what? Do, does, did in front of or before the subject. Class, meter. Other verb cannot jump over the subject. Instead, we use do, does, or did in front of the subject. Okay? Can you teach me? Teach. Other verb cannot jump over the subject. Instead, we use do, does, or did in front of the subject. Okay, class? What about when we use does or did? Class, meter. When the subject is third person singular, we use does. When the sentence is in the past tense, we use did. Can you teach me? Teach. When the subject is third person singular, we use does. When the sentence is in the past tense, we use did. Well done. Let's check it first. He is a doctor. In this sentence, you can see a be verb. Be verb can jump over the subject. How to make a question sentence? Is he a doctor? Very simple. But what about other verbs? Like is other verb. Subject is I, you, they, we, Jimmy, and May. To make a question sentence, we use what? Do, right? So how to say? Do I like kitten? Do you like kitten? Do they like kitten? Simple. And what about third person singular? Third person singular, he, she, person's name, singular noun, it, they are third person singular. So when the subject is third person singular, we use what? Does. So when you make a question sentence, you have to use does. So does he like kitten? You don't have to add an S. Does she like kitten? Does Jimmy like kitten? You can make a question sentence like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.